Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and your stimulus package update. Please give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. And thank you very much for being here. Y'all, I still feel optimistic that this is going to turn out in our favor. My big question is, how long is it going to take? Seems like it's taking forever. We know Mitch McConnell and his buddies are not doing anything but sitting on their hands. They've put everything before us. Let's see what we do to them come November. Y'all, President Trump. I don't know how this man is thinking right now. I know he's got a lot on his plate. I know the man looks tired. But he's not thinking clearly. He is talking about giving people a tax credit if they go on vacation anywhere in the United States. Wonder where the money's going to come from for a vacation. You think he's going to let us all come up to Trump Tower and stay for a week and have a good vacation for free? I don't think so. Most people don't have money in reserve for a vacation, Mr. Trump. Just to put this stimulus check into perspective. The EU, Canada, and Germany all has reoccurring stimulus checks for their people. They have ever since this whole thing started. And they're working on giving them more. I thank God for America. But we're supposed to be the best country in the world. If that's true, don't you think we should have been the first to do that and let other countries follow our lead? If we're leaders, we have to lead. We don't follow. President Trump wants payroll tax deductions. Do you know this will cost $150 billion a month? Now, do you know what payroll taxes do? They fund Social Security, SSI, disability, and all those programs for retired people and disabled people. Ever since I was a kid, I remember just about every year somebody is wanting to dip their greedy paws into Social Security. They've never been able to. But I'm wondering if they're going to be able to do it now. Once they get their paws into Social Security, they're not going to let go until it's gone. And if they cut these payroll taxes out, that's going to bankrupt Social Security. Then what do you have? Right now, people that was working are hurting a little bit. Most of them has got unemployment. Plus, they've got the boost for unemployment. Plus, they got the stimulus just like everybody else did. Okay, you're going to shift the hurt from them and put it on the people that's disabled or too old to work. Don't make a lot of sense to me. The best way to do this is to cut out all that crazy spending that's in those packages and concentrate on getting stimulus checks to the people that needs it. Y'all, I wasn't hurt. I'm doing okay. I'm fine. But there's so many people in this world that can't say that. There's a lot of people right here in the United States that's lost their houses, lost their jobs, lost everything they've worked for all their life. And the government is turning a blind eye to it. Y'all, we have to remember these people in November. We have to get them out of office. We have to stop all of this lifetime politicians that gets in office. They stay in this office as long as they can, then they just switch offices. They do another politician game until they can't do it there no more, and then they do it We got to get rid of lifetime politicians. Let them serve their 2 terms or whatever it is on that job and get out of office. When they are in office for so long, they start to think that they can't be replaced. Y'all, we have to show them in November that they can and will be replaced. We have to make America great again. And that's not blue or red. It's down the middle. We have to make it great again. And we can do it with or without Donald Trump. I've gone on record many times saying that I like Donald Trump and I'd vote for him. And right now, the way it stands right now, I will still vote for him. But in November, I don't know if I'm going to be able to say that or not. It all depends on what he does to fix this problem. My vote is for sale to the highest bidder and to the fastest workers. And right now, Republicans, it ain't looking good for you. Y'all, I have these videos every day. I hope you'll come back and tomorrow and see tomorrow's video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave me your comments. I'll read every one of your comments. It's just so many of them I can't answer them all. And it wouldn't be fair to answer a few and not them all. So just know your comments means the world to me. And I do see them. I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.